This video will show how to quickly create an online exam and share it with candidates. All you'll need for this is a PDF of the question paper with questions and options and a separate list of answer keys. After signing up, go to the exams page and click on Add Online Exam. Enter the exam name and set the duration in minutes. There are multiple ways to create exams, and this is the fastest one. Add questions in bulk and then select the first option and set an exam tag. And now you can attach your question paper PDF. Now we'll see how to quickly create a key file. You can use Excel or Google Sheets as shown. The simplest way is to just keep entering keys for questions like this for the corresponding question number. Keys can be ABCD for MCQ or numerical or one of many more question types. A video explaining more features of the key file like subjects, marks, codes, sections, etc. is linked below. Only the answer key column is mandatory, all the others are optional. After adding all the keys, in this case for 15 questions, download this file as an Excel and attach it under the PDF here. Now click Next to create the exam. Now you can see how students will view this exam by clicking on Check Questions. In this quick method, the entire question paper is shown and students can answer questions like so. Questions can also be shown one at a time using other methods. The next step is to share this exam with students or candidates and set the time window when this exam can be taken. Students supposed to take this exam can be selected using their student tags. If some students are not added to the portal, you can create an exam link and manually share it so that they can sign up to take the exam. That's it. Students or candidates can log in or sign up to your exam portal and can take the exam between the scheduled time. To find out more about EZexam and its many features, check out our playlist here or create your exam portal using the link in the description.